Over 2 decades after She's All That, Rachael Leigh Cook and Matthew Lillard reunited for the red carpet premiere of the gender-swapped sequel, He's All That. Reunited and it feels so good. She's All That co-stars Rachael Leigh Cook, 41, and Matthew Lillard, 51, were together again on Wednesday, August 26 for the star-studded premiere of He's All That, the highly anticipated sequel to the original 1999 rom-com. Rachael and Matthew appear in Netflix's gender-swapped sequel, which stars Addison, Ray and Tanner Buchanan, and they each attended the premiere with one of their children, emphasizing just how much time has passed since She's All That hit theaters. Rachael stepped out on the carpet with daughter Charlotte, 7. The actress, who also shares son Theodore, 6, with ex-husband Daniel Gillies, looked stunning in a black polka dot dress. Meanwhile, Matthew dressed in a sharp blue blazer and jeans as he attended the function with his 16-year-old daughter, Macey. Matthew's wife, Heather Helm, was not at the premiere, nor were the couple's daughter Addison, 19, or son Liam, 13. At one point on the carpet, Rachael and Matthew posed with their kids for an adorable group shot, which can be seen here. Related gallery. Rachael Leigh Cook and Daniel Gillies. Rachael and Matthew starred in She's All That alongside Freddie Prinze Jr., Paul Walker, Jodie Lynn O'Keefe and more. In the film, Freddie's character made a bet that he could transform the nerdiest girl in his high school, Rachael's character, into the prom queen. But things will go down much differently in He's All That, which will follow Addison's character who's tasked with making the nerdy dude, Tanner's character, into prom king. Despite the plot change, Rachael and Matthew will still be making an epic return in the sequel. In fact, Rachael will be playing Addison's mom. Sadly, Freddie will not be back for the upcoming flick, nor will any actors from the film's original cast, Rachael and Matt aside. But somebody that will be making a cameo in He's All That is Kourtney Kardashian, who's become besties with Addison herself. Ready for He's All That? Well, the wait is almost over, because the movie starts streaming on Netflix on Friday, August 27. The film also stars Madison Pettis, Peyton Meyer, Myron Loy, and Isabella Cravetti.